This is Motorola Moto E13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar. Once the control center gets launched, you want to find the internet shortcut, then touch and hold onto it. Once at the internet settings page, choose the Wi-Fi network that you wanted to share the password of. Onwards, go into its network details page. In here, hit that share button, and over here you'll be provided with the actual Wi-Fi password and the QR code that you can scan with any other device and get the aforementioned device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.